In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suspend admin access in Zoho CRM. Sometimes you need to quickly remove an administrator's access, whether it's because someone is leaving the company, changing roles, or you just want to tighten up security. In Zoho CRM, the way you do this is by deactivating the user account. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also explain what's happening so you feel confident about the change you're making. First, log into your Zoho CRM account with an admin profile that has permission to manage users. Once you're on the main CRM screen, look towards the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. This is labeled as Setup. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the Setup area, which is where all your configuration and administration tools are located. Inside Setup, you'll see a number of different sections. You want to navigate to General, then choose Users. This Users section is where you'll find a list of everyone who currently has access to your Zoho CRM, along with their roles, profiles, and status. On the Users page, scroll or search until you find the specific admin whose access you want to suspend. When you locate that person in the list, move your mouse over their name. As you hover over the username, additional options will appear to the right. One of these options will be Deactivate. Click on Deactivate. At this point, Zoho CRM is going to ask you to confirm, because deactivation immediately prevents that user from logging in or performing any actions. This is a safety step to make sure you don't remove access by accident. You'll see a confirmation prompt with a button labeled Deactivate Now. Review the user you're working with to make sure it's the correct account, especially if you have multiple admins with similar names. When you're certain, click Deactivate Now. As soon as you do this, Zoho CRM will change the status of that user to inactive. Their admin access is effectively suspended. They won't be able to sign in, and any API sessions or active browser sessions they had will no longer function. Their past data, activities, and records stay in your system, but they can't make new changes. That's all there is to it. By using the Setup gear icon, going into General, then Users, hovering over the username, and choosing Deactivate followed by Deactivate Now, you can quickly and safely suspend admin access in Zoho CRM.